নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। আজকে সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার এপিসোড 173 এবং আজকের এপিসোড অসম্ভব অন্যতম কোরার ওপর। সিল্ক অর্গানজা পিওর, প্রত্যেকটা কিন্তু দুটো একদম আলাদা স্টেটের থেকে, বেনারস অ্যান্ড সাউথ দুটোরই নানা রকমের ভ্যারাইটি, নানা রকমের উইভিং আজকে আমি দেখাবো। একদম নতুনত্ব, দেখতে থাকুন। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, কোরা বেনারসি। বুঝতেই পারছেন বেনারসি যখন বলছি তার মানে সাউথ, এটা হচ্ছে বেনারসের। এটা হচ্ছে পুরো কোরা, সিল্ক কোরা, তার মধ্যে পুরো অ্যান্টিক জারি দিয়ে উইভিং করা হয়েছে। দেখুন সুতোগুলো একদম অ্যান্টিকে করা, জারিটা প্রচন্ড রিচ লুক। পার্পল অ্যান্ড রানি কালার কম্বিনেশন, ম্যাজেন্টা উইথ পার্পল কালার কম্বিনেশন। পুরোটা এরকম ভাবে যাবে। 10,900, প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, 10,900। পিওর সিল্ক কোরা, যেটা আমরা অর্গানজাও বলে থাকি। একটা কথা বলি, প্রাইস রেঞ্জ কিন্তু ডিপেন্ড করে দ্য কাউন্ট অফ দ্য থ্রেড, দ্য কোয়ালিটি অফ দ্য থ্রেড, দ্য কালার্স দ্যাট হ্যাজ বিন ইউজড, হ্যান্ড ওভেন অফ পালুম, মানে এগুলোর উপর অনেকটা ডিপেন্ড করে। পালুম তো দূরের কথা, ধরুন এগুলো সমস্ত হ্যান্ড ওভেন, কিন্তু হ্যান্ড ওভেনের ওপরই দামটা ডিপেন্ড করে দ্য জারির ওপর, দ্য কাউন্ট অফ দ্য অর্গানজা তার উপরও অনেকটা ডিপেন্ড করে। অর্গানজা কিন্তু 30-40,000-এরও হয়, সেগুলো একদম মানে একদম অন্যরকম, মানে ঘোরানো জড়ি দিয়ে অনেক ছোট ছোট টেকনিক্যাল ব্যাপার আছে যার ওপর কিন্তু প্রাইসটা ডিপেন্ড করে। হোয়াট আই এম শোয়িং টুডে, দিস আর অল পিওর সিল্ক হ্যান্ড ওভেন কোরা বেনারসি from Benares, and these are extremely popular products and look very much in fashion now. Magenta and purple color combination, 10,900, product number 1. Product number 2, again Banarasi, product number 2, and this color combination is in burgundy and red. Very pretty color combination, burgundy and red, antique zari, small booty all over. The border is little bit brighter than the very antique zari. See the color combination. 10,900, product number 2. These antique zari along with these unusual colors, color combination, they really stand out and they are always in demand. See, this is the red blouse piece, all in silk organza. I have shown you previously this color combination, but the border was different. So this is another new border. This is copper gold zari, not really antique I would say, but it's a copper gold zari, very uncommon color combination. And then comes another red, deep red with burgundy. All the colors are very rich colors. Deep red with burgundy, purplish burgundy, purple, you can also say purple. 10,900, product number 3. See the back side, how well the finish is. And since these are all pure products, hand woven, the fall of these product will be very nice. The blended ones, they stick out, you know, they are a bit more fluffy, but these will have a beautiful fall, and these are pure, absolutely pure silk products. This is the blouse piece. See the rich color combination. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We have the car park. Sundays we are closed, rest of the days Monday to Saturday. We are open from 10 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Now new stock is added every day. The wedding collection, the party wear, the festive season collection. Every time they will find something new or the other. Check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where these products are uploaded in different albums. Like this will be uploaded in Kora album. So you can check out the albums where you can get many options. If you are not comfortable with the video, you can check out closely the still photos again. We have the Insta page Lalia Sanskriti, and also both the links are provided in the description part. A nice mustard and red color combination with red blouse piece, as I showed. Very rich color combination. Antique zari, rich weave, silk kora. This is the sari. Small booties all over, and see the border. 10,900. Cash on delivery, as I said, only in Kolkata. Internationally, we are shipping regularly. It's better if you buy multiple pieces to reduce the cost of the shipping charges. Else, you can club in with your friends also. You can pay for the product. We are flexible because we definitely want you to pay get the cheapest rate for shipping. So you pay for the products now, and then when you have multiple pieces, you can pay for the shipping later to reduce the cost. 10,900 for this black and red color combination, Kora Banarasi, rich color combination, red and black with booties all over, and it will come with a red blouse. Gorgeous red blouse piece. Here is the red blouse for this. Red and black, always a favorite. See the pallu weave also, very nice weave. Well cut, well finished. The back side is also important. How the finish is, the complete look of the product comes, you know how the finish it is. Red and purple. Booties all over. Very pretty red. See the purple blouse for this. This is the blouse piece. We have the tailoring unit, so if you want the blouses to be stitched, we can do it. We'll connect you to the tailoring department after the payment is done, and then you can give your measurements. We can send you the pattern and you can give your measurements, and we'll ship it after doing the blouse stitching. And once the measurement is there, it will be easy for you in future if you want to make the blouses also, so that can be done. Another Rani and red color, tomato red with Rani color combination. Another very gorgeous rich color combination. Bright Rani, hot pink with red. Gorgeous sari. This has slightly narrower border than the previous one. 10,900. See the color, how rich this is. Beautiful rich color combination of red and Rani with a bright red blouse piece. Very bright. You know, I have the fabric in front of me. I can feel the texture how thick count the thread is. Very good quality. That is where the whole get-up lies. The comfort feeling also depends on the quality. Corner buta. Turmeric color with red all over buta. Corner buta 10,900. With, of course, it will come with a red blouse piece, deep red blouse. A must in each wardrobe. All hand woven. (8B), that was 8A, and this is 8B. Same border, two different colors. That was turmeric color and red. Same design, same buta, just the color is magenta and purple. Corner buta again, 10,900. Same border, just two color options I am giving you. Since these are hand woven, we don't have these in bulks, but of course each piece are very selected pieces. We have more collections, but to get this particular product, prior booking is important. You will get many more koras in the store, but exactly this color, this design, if you want, then you have to pre-book. We have more koras, like we have red and green, red and blacks, these, but same if you want, then prior booking is important. First come, first serve basis. GST bill, invoice will be sent with each product. 10,900 for this. 8B. Antique silver in wine color. Gorgeous sari. Very uncommon piece, and it just looks like the heritage saris of our grandparents. It's beautiful, rich, absolutely a master weave sari. Number 9, 11,900. All the products I'm trying to drape so that, again, let me tell you, you can understand. I could have just shown you the colors and opened just one sari, but every sari I'm opening for you to understand which one would look, how it would look on draping. So it has a contrast, bright viridian green blouse piece with this. See the color combination overall. So green with wine color, dark, it's a very uncommon shade. So see, I'm just holding the green against this. So again, you will get an idea how it would look on draping this blouse with this color combination sari. Now here comes the Konya buta for you. The overall look is very, very rich. Number 10. Again silver zari, contrast border, blue and red. It's a deep royal blue color with red Konya buta, product number 10. The price 12,500. See the weave in the border. Intricate, narrow line, exclusive hand woven sari. Very, very, all karwal or karwa borders. Tiny butas all over. The border is exquisite. With bright red blouse piece with silver zari. Wear it with your silver or diamond or pearls. Stunning piece. See the bright blouse piece. Stunning, isn't it? What a beautiful color combination, and the weave, the border. Pallu. Tiny buttas all over in silver. See closely the border weave. Very nice. Number 11. Slightly narrower border than the previous one, so the price reduces. $11,900. Red and burgundy. 11,900, again with Konya Butta. See the color, the red color with silver zari. Mesmerizing, you know, these are very, very gorgeous, rich look sari, and never they will be out of fashion. You can wear generation wise, you can wear it. Now I've seen the Benaras Koras, now I'll start with the South Koras. You know how gorgeous South silks are, Kanjivaram South silks, we love South silks. And from that South, we have these lovely Kora weaving saris, pure silk, pure Koras. See the texture, see the Jamdani weave in this. Beautiful woven border, absolutely different from, see, both the states, both the area, I mean Benaras, the UP has totally different concept of Koras, and here in South totally different weaving concepts, totally different. See the gorgeous rich texture weaving. With this you will get this royal blue blouse piece. This blouse piece, the woven blouse with a narrow border. This is the opposite side, and the price of this is 12,500, 12,500. Pure silk Kora Jamdani weaving all over. You will love the saris now what I will be showing you, totally new concepts. And the ring that I am wearing is 1400. These are all adjustable. 1400, you can just tighten or loosen it. 1400 is this ring. The Kara that I am wearing, it's a pair, 3200 pair. It has a screw, you can open it, or you can, those who have thinner hands can, you know, just wear it. Both the hands you can wear these Karas, and see the workmanship in this. Beautiful filigree work with stone setting. One is enough, you don't have to wear anything. Very smart looking and traditional. 3200 pair. And the neck piece that I am wearing along with this temple jewelry, pearl setting neck piece, 4350. 4350. You can lengthen it also, but I prefer wearing close to the neck. So this is 4350 for the neck piece with the earring. Just check out the pearl setting neck piece. So these kind of jewelries are available in the store. You can come and have a look, or there is the album, jewelry and clutchback album in Facebook page where you can just have a look. Now see this. All over Jamdani weave in zari and resham, navy Jamdani, bright floral. One advantage is there that you know, many of you feel a bit reluctant in wearing koras, since they will be transparent, semi-transparent rather. This is the blouse piece for this. So if you opt for, but we all love, you know, experimenting with different fabrics, which are, and especially koras are so much in fashion. So you can just prefer these kind of jamdanis, which would not be, you know, there are so much of weaving that the transparency reduces a lot. So you can check out these weaves also. More or less the prices are same and equally gorgeous. Beautiful weave and very, very good quality, pure koras with these tassels have also been done. The prices are all mentioned in the description part. Please check out the prices and then you can check out the numbers, check the screenshot of the product, take the screenshot and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Once the payment is done, we will courier it to you. Beautiful shade of pink. Gorgeous. Narrow border woven with all over jamdani weave. Stunning color combination. And what a beautiful fall these silk koras have. Beautiful fall. See, it has a stripe woven blouse piece, solid color with a narrow zari border. This is the temple zari border. Dhala zari border. See, it's really, really pretty and gorgeous. And especially the pallu, it has geometric stripe layered pallu. 12,500 for this, 12,500. So much of gorgeous weaving and this range and lovely soft lightweight stunning color combinations I'll show you. You know, first time I'm showing you these kind of gorgeous South silk koras. See, zigzag pattern throughout with traditional temple border. Pallu, sky blue color. Stripe woven blouse with zari border. Very pretty color, and day and night, anytime you can wear these. And especially see the tasseling is done, so it's gorgeous. 12,500. Very uncommon pieces. I simply love this. I love this. You know, actually so many, you know, whenever I see off-whites and gold, you know, just, I mean, I go crazy. 14,900. There was a point when my mother-in-law used to really give me, used to get so angry because I used to wear only white and golds. So with age, I've started wearing more colors. See the weave. So I'm really feeling so excited showing this particular sari especially. See, and I'll show you, I'll explain it to you. See the color that has been done, given. This is in off-white and there are two shades of off-white. This is a lighter off-white, this is a little tone of darker off-white. So there's the variation, and now here comes the copper gold zari and a very gorgeous bright, you know, this gold zari border with copper, with light, you know, little deep and light patola weave all over, narrow border, absolutely smart, fashionable. I mean, it's just a gorgeous hand woven delight. Really, you can do really fashionable, you know, it will look really fashionable on wearing. This is the blouse piece. Wear it with this blouse only. Don't go for contrast. Just highlight your jewelries also, because gold and or stone jewelry, contrast stone jewelry, maybe a green stone jewelry or a garnet would look really nice when this. Just hide, you can use contrast jewelry or gold jewelry also. See the pallu. Very pretty and absolutely stunning weave. And see the back part. How neat, how neat. Now another one. My weaver, you know, couldn't complete these before the pujas. So I said that take your time, complete it, because it's the first time showing. So I want the best of the product, and we had a long discussion how the colors would be, how it can be a little different from the regular products of South, you know. So there was a lot of discussion because it is the first time I've been doing all this from South, Koras from South. This is the first episode. So I wanted it to be the best. See the color and the weave. With red piping border and the colors that has been used. With this you can wear a bright red silk blouse also. This is the blouse piece with this, but you can opt for a contrast red blouse also. Boat neck blouse, close neck, full sleeve, fitted full sleeve red blouse. Stunning, because winter is coming, so you can always go for a bright red blouse, full sleeve. This is the sari. See, the prices are all mentioned, so I am not repeating the prices. 12,500 if I don't get the tag, because I want to show all the colors, because I really have good stock now. This is number 17. Another gorgeous shade of pink. Pallu. So great, the fall is coming. I'm just finding so comfortable in drape, you know, in pleating also. See the blouse piece, it will have a self texture stripe with the zari narrow border. The blouses I've kept it simple because the sari has so much of weave. I wouldn't highlight anything more on the blouse. The blouse is simple and plain, but it has a texture with the border, which would definitely look good with these all over Jamdani weaves. And then of course the color is very attractive. Yellow. Nice, isn't it? I'm really excited. I'm sure you will love it. If not, please tell that also. If you are not liking the products, I'll reduce the production. But personally, I feel that this really looks so gorgeous on wearing. 12,900 for this. Silver and gold zari. Red piping border, and it will have this mustard kind blouse piece with the zari border. And you know, South saris, the width is very broad because South people are comparatively taller, so they have good height. So in the width are very good width they make. This is in dark navy. See, gold and silver in dark navy. It's not black. I don't know if it's showing black, but it is very dark navy with sea green color. Gorgeous color combination, and I'm loving the border. See the border? I had, you know, browsed many weaves from my weaver's album and then selected this weave with this border. So it took few weeks to, you know, finally settle with the whole look. How gorgeous these are. The color, the design, the texture, the overall fall of the sari, and see the pallu. It matches so well with the border. 12,900, product number 19. Lovely strawberry pink with grey. Now coming to a bit of pastel shade with silver zari. Wow, very soothing. See the border, sleek narrow border, inch border with silver zari weave, and this peach pink color with all over zari weave and lovely weave. See the back side, how neat. Here comes the pallu, grey pallu, light grey pallu. These are horizontal stripes, but that's where the beauty lies. Blouse piece with sleek border. Now see, once I'm draping it, how rich it's looking, even though it's vertical, horizontal stripes. It all depends on how you carry, you know. So once you drape these horizontal stripes, the stripe alignment, you know, in the pleats it will be broader, in the upper part it will be diagonal. So overall, after draping, the stripe symmetry changes. Peacock green with purple. Rich color. This border is in silk. The border is not in kora. The body is in kora with silk border, pure silk border. Pallu, this part is also silk. This particular sari has silk border with silk kora body weave. Silk blouse piece, solid color silk blouse piece contrast. I'm loving the combination of this also. Must in every wardrobe. Silk kora is just stunning fabric. It's absolutely stunning, and we can, you know, looks so feminine on wearing and carrying, lightweight and very fashionable. Lovely colors. You can, you know, opt for the, see this color, like for this color, such a lovely shade of lavender and magenta. Border purplish magenta. See the color combination. It's a dusty lavender with just all over zari weave, honeycomb designed zari weave, and the silk rich purple blouse. Wow, see the blouse piece. I'm sure today you would be very confused. I really liking all the products that I'm showing today. I'm really excited. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like the products. And first come first serve basis. Once you make the transfer, we'll courier it to you. Please do message in one number. Once the payment is done, we will give you the please send us the shipping address in one format along with name, address and phone number, which is very important, the phone number. Turquoise, dark firoza with all over small jamdani weave floral, with, see, the shades are of sea green and laurel green. With pallu, all pallus will have tassel for these South silk organzas. This is the blouse piece. This is the actual color of the sari, blouse piece. But then when you are weaving it with other colors, it becomes a bit more of a turquoise. Gorgeous, rich colors. And stunning weaves, neat finish, great fall, and overall the look of the product when you wear it, that is also important. Sometimes you see, you keep buying a sari which looks good, but on draping it doesn't look good. But that is where, you know, these colors and all look good in each and every one. So you can comfortably, you can carry these colors. It's very soothing color combination with a bamboo tree weave, soothing color. Very sober, ideal for day wear also with this blouse piece. See the pallu. Gorgeous color combination, very sober. This I would say is a very sober, soothing, cool shade. I love this one also. I just loved it. And I'm sure you would too, because it has a Rangkat concept weave. See this weave? Each zari alternately will have these different colors of mint, grey and yellow, I mean mustard, pink weave. It just shows as if, you know, the Rangkat Banarasi Georgettes we love. So this looks like that. A Meena, lovely patola texture. I mean the overall weave is stunning, very, very beautiful. And also the color, fuchsia color, mauvish pink color with a grey color border also. So the overall combination is very, very interesting, different. So this is the blouse piece for this. Just it will have this border also, zari border also. Now see the color. Just lovely. All comes with tassels. And the mannequin, my dear doll, is wearing a Rani color with gold and yellow zari weave all over. Gold and yellow resham, see the color combination. The border, it will have a similar stripe textured woven blouse. 12,500 for this, 12,500. Here, see the fall. Gorgeous, very pretty. Stunning piece. And the last one, this is also silk organza. It has a kota texture feel. The weaving is such that it seems to be like it has a texture, but this is very soft, pure silk and patni woven border, but again from south. See how the muted the colors have been used. And since these are custom designed, these are not the common ones that you usually get. These are all custom made by our weavers. So see the border, the pallu, the blouse piece, body comes with all over butta in gold and silver. Very pretty sari, and the color also. It's a very unique shade of two-tone pink peach color. Here. pretty, very pretty. Once again the border for you, and price is 13,900. Here comes the close-up look of the sari. The last one of today's episode, and thank you for watching till the end. Please do comment how you like the episode. I'm really excited. Namaskar, bhalo thakben.